This is my review of the Elephant in a Box Round Ottoman. Now, I've been looking for an ottoman to serve several uses around my space, and this one does everything I need. So why choose this ottoman? Well, they're using a honeycomb support technology that actually makes the structure 5 times lighter and stronger. They claim it holds up to 500 pounds while only weighing 7 pounds, easily put together and easily taken down to make space. And it's such a simple design that it's just perfect for what I need it for. I'm looking for something to sit down when I'm playing guitar, have it around the bedroom as a footstool, an extra seat around the house, or even outside on the deck like in the video. It's easily transported and used. And sometimes a nice little ottoman makes your furniture space design pretty much complete. For the price, this comes in right where I need to be. So as you can see, the instructions are super simple. It's easy to put together. You just wrap around the honeycomb design to make the structure, and you put in the soft top cushion. You wrap it around with the blanket cushion. It holds together with Velcro and zipper, and you slide on the cover, which is a nice material. It's a little bit sloppy, but I'm just doing it all in a quick pace just for video purposes. If I took a little bit more time, it could be perfect. Now you could just imagine all the uses you could use this for. If you have a large house, you can move it from room to room. If you have a small home office, if you have a basement, if you want to move stuff outside, not to leave outside, but on a nice day, bring it outside, then bring it back in. It's not outdoor furniture. And if you just need an extra seat around or footrest, this is the thing to have. I'm 5'11", and it fits very comfortable and seems like the right size. So that gives my legs a nice, comfortable feeling. My thighs aren't pinched against the edge. It's pretty nice setup, proper size for a 5'11" size male. So this is a great ottoman to change your space around considering your needs. You can move this into a little home office when you want to bring somebody in and spend some time there. If you want to move it back to the living area or the bedroom, it's only 7 pounds, easy to carry. And if you want to make floor space and room in the area, like for a party, and you want to eliminate some furniture, you could just disassemble it quickly, and it fits into a 17 by 8 inch box, so you could store it in a closet and you could free up space in any room. So as far as the strength, well, I'm 220 pounds, 215 on a good day, and I'm putting all my weight on my knees on this. I'm trying to shake. It's holding stable, and I like the dimensions. It's 15 by 15 inch by 17.5 inch high. So this ottoman fits all my needs. Who is this for? This is great for college kids living away from home. If you got your first apartment, or if you just live in a tiny space that you have to convert it to entertaining purposes and then living purposes. It's great for game nights when a couple extra people come in. You could build these things, set them out. When the game night is done, you could put them away and store them. So it has a nice look to it also, and it just gives you a lot of flexibilities in your space. So this is why I like it, and I think it's a good product, and you probably will too.